What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to be talking about the only prop firm to trust. That is right. I'm making a YouTube video talking about a prop firm and funded account that you can get through this prop firm that I 100% recommend and back up. Now, for those that have been following me for a very long time, whether it's Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, on Instagram, I have over 100,000 followers. On YouTube, I have over 100,000 subscribers. Anything I say, people trust, right? At the end of the day, all I want is to see everyone succeed and make a lot of money. And the last thing I'm ever going to do is be a sellout and recommend something shitty to people, whether it's a Forex broker or a prop firm, okay? So anything I say on my channel is something that I would either use or am using. So when I talk about the Forex broker that I'm using, such as Osprey, well, guess what? I use them, I back them up, and I support them 100%. Prior to using them, I was using Hugo's Way. Same thing with them. They were fantastic. However, everything changed with MetaQuotes, MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5. So unfortunately, it didn't work out anymore. We needed to part ways. Now, anything I say or recommend, I support, I've investigated, I've spoken to, whether it's the owners or management behind the team. So in this case, this video is something that you guys probably thought I would never make or talk about because all my members, whether they're in my Telegram or my Discord, have known that I've always spoken bad and have hated prop firms and funded accounts. That is because I actually knew what went beyond behind closed doors, okay? Such as funded prop firms like the Funding Kingdom or the Funded Trader or even Fortune's Funding. Now, Fortune's Funding, I'm not making this video to bash or talk about negative about these prop firms. Fortune's Funding, I bought them, right? I bought a funded account and I passed them in one day. And guess what happened? They instantly blocked and banned me. That was it. These prop firms are built and made, right? 90% of them are built and made for people to fail, or they basically give you fake demo accounts. I've told that to people from the very, very beginning. You're not getting real money. It might say real account, but at the end of the day, it's truly a demo account. So I always knew what went on behind closed doors. I've tried to explain that to people over and over and over again, right? So Fortune's Funding had nothing but issues, right? And then obviously the Funded Trader, right, had nothing but issues, okay? Then comes along FunderPro, a legit, honest prop firm where at any time you can message or DM the actual owners behind this, okay? No hidden rules, 100% real money, daily payouts, 80% split on all counts, no trailing drawdown. And the whole thing with a lot of these prop firms is that, again, they manipulate everything as far as like the drawdown, the splits, again, the demo account. So for those that, yes, I am actually recommending a prop firm. For those that are struggling with actually putting money in their account, because it's true, right? The more money you have in your trading account, the much, much easier it is to trade, right? If somebody comes along and they have $5,000 to trade with, well, that's a lot easier than $500. If someone has $10,000, it's a lot easier than $1,000. So the beautiful part about this is that anytime people can come and buy one of these funded accounts, and if you pass, right? If you pass, you're fully refunded. Now, the way 90% of prop firms work and operate is they're betting for people to fail and then re-sign up again, and then betting for people to fail and re-sign up again. Unlike FunderPro, they're built and structured for people to pass because, again, I've mentioned this at the end of my YouTube videos. If you trade well, profits will follow. So if you come to FunderPro, you pass and you trade well, well, guess what? You're making money, they're making money, everybody's happy, everyone's making money, right? They're not built on people losing. They're built on winners. They want people to win, 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 and succeed. So again, the beautiful part is if you're trying to get a $5,000 account, $80 fucking dollars. Now, I'm not new to trading. I've been doing this trading for about a long time, well over 7 years. But Forex trading almost 3 years. But if I was completely new to trading and I didn't have $5,000, you best believe $80, I could spend $80 and get a $5,000 account. And You got phase one, phase two, then boom, you got a live account. Phase one and phase two is a minimum trading days of 1 day. Now, a lot of those other past prop firms, funded accounts, they'd have like some shit like 7, 10, 15, 30 trading days. Like they just made it really, really hard for people. This I could pass in one fucking day and then boom, right? I can get a real live account. Can't beat that. And you get refunded. So I could spend 80 bucks if I show them I'm a good, successful trader and I pass. Well, guess what? I'm getting a real account, a legit real account. The problem with past prop firms is that people were passing and they were still getting fucking demo accounts. And they were failing, and then they were failing because the prop firm was manipulating their fucking orders. You see what I'm saying? So they don't, these guys, FunderPro, they don't do that, right? They legit want people to pass, and they legit want people to make money, because if you're a good trader and you're making profit, you're making money, well, guess what? So are they, because like any other prop firm, they have the profit split. So I am 100% backing them up, supporting them, and recommending them to all my Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube followers. I would not, again, I repeat, I would not be recommending them. I would not be talking about them if they were not honest and 100% legit. Why would I ruin my reputation? You see what I'm saying? At the end of the day, I tell people this all the time. I want to see all my members, all my students win, make as much money as possible, and live the best possible life they can. Now, as a trader, right, whether you're a new trader or an experienced trader, you have one of two options. One, you use your own money, right? Or two, you buy one of these funded accounts and you use their money, right? You're basically going to the loan, going to the bank, taking a loan out, and you have no fucking interest. You see what I'm saying? Or option three is quitting. But guess what? We don't quit, right? We don't quit at all. We keep pushing day in and day out. So that's it for this YouTube video. I wanted to make a quick video talking about the only prop firm to trust, not only in 2024, but basically the rest of your trading life and trading career. I have the link for this below this YouTube video. Sign up, get started today. If you guys have any questions, as always, reach out to me, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. Also below this YouTube video, I have, congratulations, I have a 100% free link to my Discord chat room community. I made that 100% free. All these other guys will charge you for their Discord. Guess what? I made mine free, 100% free. Yes, I do charge for my Telegram signals, right? Because if I'm sitting there putting out my alerts, those goes to my members. But otherwise, I have a Discord 100% free for you guys to get started, ask questions, reach out to me personally. I'm here to help you guys succeed and win. Subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and remember, guys, nobody goes broke taking profit. Cheers.